It is the 5th payday already.
We will first take a look at how BurgerLand is looking, secondly what the stats are up till now for dividends, and lastly the power distribution.
Let's get started. What is BurgerLand's?
Looking majestic, BurgerLand's still holding strong even after taking some poundings from the bigger alliances.
We here. 55 kingdoms strong, up 2 kingdoms since payday 4.
Payday 4, let's take a look at the lands. What divvies do we have to distribute this time?
Plus equals die total.
Day total die dividends over 14 days gives us an average daily die dividend of about 1.33 die. This has gone up from just above an average of just above 1 daily die dividend of payday 4. Very good to see.
Looking at the rankings of niche bank.
Here we seem to still be steadily rising up the ladder of payouts to the 18th place, coming from the lower 30s weeks ago. I can proudly say that in absolute terms the numbers may not be increasing that fastly, but relatively we are doing very good. Of the total die, 80% minus will be distributed among BurgerLand kingdoms, 20% minus will be used for buying dollar burger and building up community funds and burning. More on that in the pub, proof of burger burning, on the Dollar Burger blog. Last pub, sharp one. Let's take a look at our partnership, the split lands. A total of die, a cut of 80% worth. Die has been sent to the split alliance in Matic on their Discord. A 20% cut worth. Die will be used to buy dollar burger and build up the community fund /burn. See the upcoming pub sharp 2 for more details. Last payday will be added there too since pub is only monthly and paydays are bi-weekly.
Split lands. You can read full post on CryptoFans News, link available in text below.